roast chicken. Take one whole chicken, season in the cavity with salt and pepper. Take about 10 sprigs of thyme and stuff them inside. Coat the whole chicken with 20 grams of soft butter. Season the whole chicken generously with salt and pepper. Scatter with a few extra thyme leaves. Set to one side. Roughly chop 1 carrot, 1 stick of celery and 1 onion. Place them all onto a baking tray with 3 cloves of garlic. Place the chicken on top of the veg. Place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees C. The weight of the bird determines the cooking time. So for every 1 kilo, cook for 1 hour. Take from the oven, prick with a knife right through the breast and down to the bone. And if the juices run clear, then it's definitely cooked. Place onto a plate and leave to rest for 20 minutes. Follow for part 2 where I make gravy with these. Now carve and enjoy your roast chicken. Roast chicken gravy. In part 1, we roasted a chicken on top of these vegetables. Place them over a medium heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of flour and stir to absorb the fat. Allow the flour to cook out for 1 minute. The flour will go a nice light brown colour. At that point, we want to deglaze it with 150 ml of white wine. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan to get all those sticky bits off. Add in 700 ml of chicken stock. Stir. If there's any juices left from your roast chicken, make sure to add them in. Bring to the boil and cook for 5 minutes. Get a small saucepan, turn off the heat and a sieve. Pour this lovely gravy through the sieve. Place the gravy back on the heat and reduce down until it's your desired thickness. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Serve over your roast chicken. Enjoy your roast chicken gravy.
Dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.